So now, looking at the given triangle and the given rectangle inside the triangle, we need to find the length of the triangle. By the length of the triangle, I mean EF, which is given as B. This one here, EF. We need to find the value of B in terms of X for us to can determine what we are required to. And to do that, look at this. Somehow we can tell that triangle NEF, triangle NEF is very much similar to triangle ND, NDM. These two triangles are similar. And what makes the two triangles similar is because angle N is common between the two triangles. This angle here, N, is common between the two triangles. And we can see also that if angle MDN, this angle here is 90 degrees because it's perpendicular to, because MD is perpendicular to NP. Somehow also this angle FEN is also 90 degrees there. So meaning if the two angles are equal, clearly by definition, the third angle will also be equals. The third angle will also be equal, meaning this angle here, angle NMD is equals to angle NFE, this angle here. So now, by definition, triangle NEF is very much similar to triangle NDM. And because of that, we can use our application of similarities to can calculate or rather to get the expression of B in this case. Then I will say NE over FE. NE over FE is equals to ND over MD, as you can see there, because the two triangles are similar. In similarities, we do apply it like this. I know the size of NE is X squared. I know the size of ND is going to be 2 centimeters because NP is 4 centimeters. And I can see that this side is equals to this side. So ND is equals to DP. And because of that, if the whole full NP is 4 centimeters, I can tell that ND is 2 centimeters, NDP is 2 centimeters. Let's apply it. So let's go. Like I say, NE over FE is equals to ND over MD because the two triangles are similar. And NE is given to be X squared all over FE. I can tell that FE is 2. No. FE is given by B from the image there. This is equals to ND is the one that is 2 rather, all over MD. MD is 3 centimeters as given. And then from here, I can express B. If I cross multiply here, I will have that 2B is equals to 3x squared. And to get B, I'll divide by 2 both sides. This cancels that. Therefore, B is equals to 3x squared over 2. That would be the B that I have. Now, let's get EH for the width. For EH, I can tell that NP is given. NP is composed of NE plus EH plus HP, as I can see there. NP, I know NP is 4 centimeters. It's equals to NE, I know it's x squared plus EH plus x squared for HP. Now I can express EH as EH is gonna be 4 minus x squared plus x squared is gonna be 2x squared, like that. And then I can now attempt to get my area. So now for the area of EFGH, I can tell that it's gonna be FE multiplied by EH. And in this case, I know that FE is B times EH, which is 4 minus 2x squared, like that. But I know B is the same as 3x squared over 2. So here, I'm going to remove this and write it as 3x squared over 2. Therefore, here I can FOIL this by multiplying this one here and multiplying this one there to show that the expression is going to be the same now. Therefore, this is going to be 3x squared over 2 times 4. As you can see, this is going to be, let me just put it as 12x squared over 2 minus this times that is going to be minus 6x squared over 2. And they are both divided by 2. And then this is going to be equals to 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6x squared minus 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. Oh, no. If I multiply this by that, there it's going to be 6x to the exponent 4 rather. I don't know why did I put it as squared. So we're going to have this situation here, which makes 6 divided by 2 is going to be minus 3x to the exponent 4, which indeed shows that the expression of AX is indeed 6x squared minus 3x to the exponent 4, which is what we were required to show. So there we go. We have it. But the keyword was just to know that for area, it's length times the breadth.